What is up guys, Janet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily set up your Stripe payment links. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in stripe.com or you can just simply type in Stripe. After that, just click on this first official link of Stripe. After clicking, you will be welcomed to this landing page of Stripe. So if you are new to Stripe, so you will see the option of sign in. Just simply click on sign in and then sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account on Stripe, when you will click on sign in, you will be directly signed in into the Stripe dashboard. So as you can see, I am directly signed in into my Stripe dashboard. And after coming to the dashboard, on the left side, you can see the option of payments. Click on it once and a drop-down menu will appear. Then click on payment links. After clicking on payment links, it will open the payment links section. And then here you can see all your recent payment links. And if you don't have any link, on the right side, click on new. After clicking on new, just find or add a test product, add the name of the product, and then you have the option of collect tax automatically, and you can collect customer's address. In the customer's address, you can have the billing address and the billing and the shipping address. You can choose whatever you want according to your wish and requirements. And then here you can check this, require customers to provide a phone number, or you can limit the number of payments. After clicking on advanced option, here are some advanced options like add a custom field, promotional codes, business customers to provide tax IDs, and save the payment details for future use. You can check these according to your requirements. After that, uh, you can select as the call to action like to pay, book, or donate. I will keep the pay button. And after that, when you add all your details, click on after payment. And after payment, you can choose these according to your requirements. After adding your new product, you need to name this product, and this is a required field. Then add some of the descriptions and then upload your photos by clicking on upload. And then here are some more options like the unit label, the metadata, and the marketing feature list. You can add it. And after that, you need to enter the amount and you can change the currencies from here. Like if you want US dollars, you can change to USD. And after that, just simply click on add product. As you can see, the product is created. And after all that, on the right side, you have the option of create link. Click on that and the new payment link will be created on Stripe. So this is how you can create a payment link, or you can set up a payment link on Stripe. And then after this appears, just simply copy and paste it wherever you'd like to. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.